That's the focus knife.
Focus mitts. Yep.
Focus knives.
That's what I was hoping that they would come in time and we would use them for me.
This is nice. How to use this?
Same way you use the Muay Thai pads.
Oh. Why you need one?
Two.
Okay.
One's for your left hand, one's for your right hand. Now they
Okay.
got that stupid ball in the middle. God, why do they make them like that? I hate that.
Maybe for lock, hand lock. Nice.
Wait a minute. Nah, you got it on the wrong hand. Goes on.
More.
On a bottle of Cialo. And
Canvas panel. Thank you very much.
one more.
One.
Hey, get off of there. Off.
Hey, do you want boxing too? She wants boxing mat.
No, she just wants to see what it is. Just know if there's any food in there.
Come on. Chug. 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 No bite. Hey, hey. Oh, your socks. That's good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more pairs.
That's it. Size fits you.
Good. 9 to 11. What's this one? This one is, oh, cute keychain.
Home. Nice. Look at this.
No, it says not welcome home. It's home welcome.
Home. Welcome. Nice. Yeah.
Home welcome.
Ito.
And we got some more salt.
So this is really refined.
And we got 3 towels.
Woohoo! More towels.
Yep.
More laundry. Is it fake towels?
Yep. Yep, better than anything you can get here. Should we give Gwen one or should not? She hasn't been good enough.
She said that.
She didn't even have a test today.
Yeah, she said her classmates was telling her that she really walk like a model now.
You're welcome. What? You're welcome. I'm the care trainer, right? I got you to stop doing school hips.
But mom said I'm improving. But there's still a little bit of swallow.
Let me see you walk.
Okay.
She's modeling now.
Nope. There's none of this anymore.
Yeah, told you. Give me a hand, baby.
$24 by $48. And how big it is.
Oh, chicken. Oh, chicken.
I'm not a swallow hips anymore.
Right. 6 towels. Are these not big? Oh, they're thin too.
Then
Yeah.
it's not thick like before. Oh yeah, it's thin. Yeah, it's thin.
Well, as long as they're absorbent. That's
They
all that
are?
matters.
Thank you so much.
Mine.
Well, I think that there's a lot more here than you think. I think there's 6 towels here.
Really?
Yeah. Here, one for you,
Thank you, Mike. Such a nice person.
one for me. Boom.
One for Steffi.
Steffi doesn't get one.
Thank you so much.
So we have 2 each, and she's got 2.
Char. Merry Christmas. Oy, happy Chinese New Year on the 24th, 29. Tara, let's go back na. Come here. Come here, Gwen. Come here. Come here. Let's get up. Get up. Come here.